Come back. In this page, we'll go to our server side and create a new route. So head over to my server directory, open the source folder, open the right route directory, create a new file, forgot password route.js. Yes, so go ahead importing v4 as UUID from UUID. The next, I go and copy my event manager from my test route and paste it in my forgot password route. Then I'll move on to exporting a function. Export const forgot password route equals to curly braces. Then I'll put my arguments. The path will be /API /forgot -password semicolon email. That's the ID that will be passed. Then the method will be put, comma, then handler will be an async function taking request and response variables equals to IO curly braces. Hit enter and post email. We're going to destructure that equals to request dot params. Then the next one will be const password. So password reset code equals to UUID. Generate a random ID. Then the next variable will be const result equals to, first I'll come to copy my user model. When we import my user model, then result will now be equals to await user.find1. Yes. Find1 and update. Okay, now update one email. That's what we want to update. Then we'll set the password reset code value. We'll set that to be, then the next line will be if results.modified count. That's if the modified documents are greater than 0, then we should try and catch. That's if it is successful. Try and catch await. Then we come and copy something in my sign up route. Yes, yes, I'll copy this. Copy our event manager.emit. Just paste it. Event manager.emit, and I change the slug to reset -password. Then the email, okay. Then the message variable, I'll go back to my sign up route and copy that. Just like we did, and paste my message, and I change the text to reset your password. Click this link. Then I will change the slug on the link to reset password. Then instead of verification string, it's going to be password reset code. Yes, everything is looking good. Then I'll go to my error blog. Then I'll console.log error. In case there's any error, then response.send status. We're going to send status 500. That's status code. Then, yes, I think everything is looking good. Format my documents and save it. Yes, then I'll come outside and give it a response.send status 200 to show that it's successful. Yes, this is outside my try catch block. Then I'll come and import the route, forgot password route. I cut this comma and paste it here. Yes, and I save it. So everything is saved and my server and client is running. And then I go ahead and go to my utility directory and go to my event directory, I copy my events manager and I paste it. I go and copy the slug, paste it here too, so that everything will tally. Copy reset password, come to this place and paste it. Then I change some few things. The from I'll change to forgot password. Then the subject will be reset password, reset link. Yes, basically that's just all I need to change. And I save it. Yes, everything is saved and database connected successfully. So I go and send a reset password link to my email. Send reset link, shows me success. Okay, here's the link. I click on the link, it's into my client, and that's it.